Hey, I'm making your favorite.
My favorite? Wow, where did you get salmon at this time of year?
I didn't. You told me that snapper was your favorite when we went fishing a few months ago.
No, I didn't. I told you it was salmon on our first date, when they screwed up my order and I had to send the food back.
Oh, right. Well, I hope you like snapper then. Should be better than ordering in like we usually do.
Snapper is fine. Also, you should really water this flower, James. It's on its last legs.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, I think you're really going to like this. The marinade took me all day, but I think it was worth it.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Oh, nothing. Just want to know if you like it.
It's good.
Just good? No, I spent 2 hours seasoning, marinating, and grilling.
Yeah, and it tastes good. I'm not sure what reaction you were looking for, James. It's just dinner.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Why are you sorry? I said it was good.
I don't know. I guess I was just hoping it would be more than just good.
Would have been better if it was salmon.
I'll remember that for next time.
And let's not do snapper again. Honestly, it's a little dry.
You know, you used to love anything I made. When did my food suddenly become dry?
James, relax. It's just a piece of fish.
So that's all this is to you? A piece of fish?
Yeah, I guess.
Then you should dry fish alone.
Don't be so dramatic. Just because a snapper is dry doesn't mean you can't make something better next time.
And what if there wasn't a next time?
What if there wasn't?
Enjoy your dry fish.
James, come on. You know I didn't mean it like that. He didn't pay attention to you either, did he?